Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am sharing a step-by-step video of how I draw the head and face. The materials I used today are listed here. First thing we will do is create a guide. Make a grid of equal squares. You need 4 squares horizontally and 6 squares vertically, like this. If you're done with the guide, let's jump right into the shape of the head. Now, we will use the first 4 squares to create a big circle. It doesn't have to be a perfect circle, but make sure you use the whole 4 parts of the squares. This will be your cranium. Okay, good enough. Now let's do the jaw part. I will connect the lower part of the head at the very edge of the sides of the circle. Check this out. Okay, I think that looks good. Now let's do the nose. We will place the bottom part of the nose at the very center of the face, right below the big circle. And here you see me drawing the mouth. I usually draw the mouth opening at this space right below the nose. But you may go lower until you reach the lower line of this space. I think I want to make the lips lower, so let me adjust that. Now, how wide should the mouth opening be, you ask? Well, ideally, it should be at half point of these squares here. But making it a bit wider is okay. Now let's draw the eyes. I usually put my eyes at this line right here. And the width of the eye is ideally the same width as your squares. Now, I don't really follow any particular rule about eyebrows, but I just want it a bit longer than the eye. That's all. And don't forget the bridge of your nose. And of course, let's draw the ear. Now, the ear is about the same height as from your nose to your eye. Now, for the iris, I usually use this intersection right here at the center of the eye as guide. Okay, now let's do the other side real quick. Okay, and now we don't need the guides anymore, so let's just erase them. Now let's add definitions to the eyes and use a darker pencil, 4B. One thing I always do is leave a white part right at the side of the iris, like light reflecting, making the eyes look glossy. And now I'm adding the pupil. Remember, the pupil is usually the darkest part of your eye. Now this is my favorite part because it's like putting makeup on. I'm adding a thicker and darker line at the top of the eye to give her the illusion of eyeliner and a little bit of eyelashes. Then I will also give her a slight cat eye at the tip. For the nose, I usually add definition by darkening the nostrils and the nose wings at the side. But be careful with the nostrils, making them too big might make your model look angry. Anatomy fun fact. This bridge right here under your nose going to your upper lip is actually called Philtrum. I love saying that. It makes me sound smart. Key light time. Now, for the eyebrows, I cover the space with a lighter shade of pencil first usually. Then I add individual strands using my sharp 4B pencil. Now for the mouth, I usually darken the mouth opening and the cupid's bow and the bottom center of the lower lip because these parts are the deepest parts of the lips. And of course, we are almost done. Instead of adding too much harsh strokes on the face, I am going to add more definition by shading. I have another video of me shading the female face, so I will make sure I include that link in the description so you can also watch that. That's it, guys. That's how I draw the female face for my fashion illustrations. I hope you were able to follow along. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe. It's free. And also, share the video to your friends so they can also enjoy it. Before I end the video, let me give her a beauty mark.